Meet Leo. He started with zero savings and a simple dream. Every payday, he automatically transferred $50 away before buying lunch. His friends mocked him, saying he missed out on fun, but Leo kept writing notes, studying finance books every night. Year 1 brought a tiny profit. Year 3, a steady growth chart. The world faced a recession, and neighbors sold assets in panic. Leo held tight to his plan. Slowly, the compound interest kicked in. That steady stream finally covered his bills. Then he bought his own home. Not flashy, just secure. Now Leo sits on his porch watching the sunset. He opened a scholarship for others starting where he did. No shortcuts were taken. Through patience and discipline, he turned a single habit into freedom. Wealth wasn't a lightning strike.